house right there is $500,000.
Yeah, sold for 505. Oh yeah, for sure. And then like I said, we're gonna see what the highest and best use is for it. And then like once I see what they allow us to do, then I'll be like, hey, we can do X amount of houses per acre. Let's do houses, let's do townhouses. Like we
You
won't
would
be able to
diversify. You just wouldn't go single family homes.
I mean, for me, it's about the highest and best use.
Okay.
So, and what that really means is how much we gonna make off of it,
Right.
And we delivering a good product. Because like single family, you put 5 houses per acre.
Okay.
Townhouse, you put 13 townhouses per acre.
So, right where the underpass was, to the left was a new community they just finished. I just want you to look at that just for a few minutes, just to see. That may be a better option than something like this.
Yeah, because it's real high end, and just judging by that street, it may be a hard sell. Cause we have
Because
a
it's
lot.
so small.
Yeah, like and then it's like like right here, this is a neighborhood.
Right.
All the houses kind of the same vibe.
Right.
But if we came and put this on that street, and then you got other little starter houses out there,
But think about what you came into on this street.
so they gotta come the same way to get back here.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They got to go out the same way we came in.
Yeah. Okay.
So the 50 and 60-year-old houses are still down there leading into this. So I don't see our street any different.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. But what I was kind of saying was once they get in a neighborhood,
Right.
it all flows. Yeah.
And you got them views.
Yeah, and you got like I'll drive through that for that.
Right.
I'm a
But
view
we're
guy.
so low. I don't know that you got it. Did you have views at my dad's?
Oh
area?
no. That's what I'm saying. I said that's why this will work because
gotcha.
here, because like now you got the views and it's like it's uniform.
Okay.
Everything looks the same up
Yeah.
here. But if we did it down there, I look across the street, I see the church, I see this, that, and the third. It may turn some buyers off.
Sure. But
You know.
that'll be when you're coming into the land. You never really get to that.
Right.
There's a section that's a cutoff because you weren't going to run the land into the road we were on parked at my parents'.
We're going down. You
Right,
said.
we're going to
Okay.
go down, and maybe some of those woods kind of separate from what they are. Because, again, you want these as comps. Nothing over there would be a comp.
Right.
But I want to show you that development right down there, and then you can hop on the interstate.
Okay.
All right.
All right, we'll follow.
Okay.